welcome back to Maria's Kitchen. I'm so excited that you're back with me. I am going to show you today how to make a mango smoothie, and it's very healthy and very good for you. I just want to let you know for the month of January that I will be sharing more recipes with fruits and vegetables, and I'm going to show you how to do some really healthy dishes. So I'll be right back to go over the ingredients with you. I first want to stop and tell you a little bit about this beautiful mango that we're going to use today. It was actually originated in Southern Asia and Eastern India, and it went down the line, and it actually came to California, Santa Barbara in 1880. Some of the benefits of this wonderful mango are everything your body needs for essential nutrients and antioxidants. The vitamin A in this mango is great to maintain good eye health. It has loads of beta-carotene, which slow down the aging process and promote new cell growth in your body. It protects against hydration and heat strokes. A mango-infused diet helps improve muscle impairment and weaken bones and kidney diseases. It's rich in fiber, and it helps the immune system stay healthy, and it's a great memory enhancer. So I'll be back to go over the ingredients with you. I just want to let you know a little bit about the mango that I have here. I got this at Costco, and it's organic mango. Now it's wonderful because if it's not in season, you can go ahead and go with this. But if it's in season, you can go ahead and get fresh mango, and it'll be 1 cup of fresh mango. And I also got some Greek yogurt that you'll need for this recipe. You'll need some orange juice. I got this at Costco also, some organic orange juice. I've got some almond milk, unsweetened with vanilla. I've got a little bit of vanilla extract we're going to put in, and 1 large banana. We're going to also put, another star ingredient, turmeric, which is great for inflammation. And we've got honey, and we're going to put some ice cubes, and I think that's it. We'll be back to blend. We're going to start putting it together. So we are going to put that Greek yogurt in here, and we are going to get this all in as fast as I can without being messy. Oh my goodness. And then we are going to put, of course, 1 cup of mango chunks that have already been cubed, and then we've got ½ a cup of orange juice. We're going to put ½ a cup of the almond unsweetened vanilla milk. We're going to put a whole banana, and this is a large banana. I'm going to break it up in a couple of chunks. We're going to put 1 teaspoon of some turmeric, ground turmeric. You can put whole if you want. We're going to put the 7 ice cubes. We're going to put the honey. You don't have to put this if you don't want to, but it sweetens it just perfectly. And then we are going to put, the last thing is going to be the ½ a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And here we go. I can't wait to get it all blended. And we will be right back. We're done, and we're ready to pour. It's all blended up, and I'm going to put some in here. Ooh, look at how nice and smooth. I've got my new Ninja, and it's so awesome and powerful. And I'm pouring 2 cups, and I want to let you know, of course, we want to have some for our kids too. We can put theirs in a cute little cup, and we can actually top it with a piece of dried mango. And this one's mine, and I'm going to actually put some of this too. This is real cream, so it's real, it's not fake. And here I go. I'm going to try it. You're going to love this. It's so good. So healthy for you, and I hope you try it. We will be right back with the scripture of the day. Behold, I am doing a new thing. Now it springs forth. Do you not perceive it? And know it? And will you not give heed to it? I will even make a way in the wilderness and rivers in the desert. God is doing new things. This is a new year. This is 2020. So be excited and be looking out for the new things that God is going to do for you. And thank you so much for spending time with me today. And I hope you try this. And this is going to be to our health for this year in 2020, and I will continue to do some healthy dishes for the rest of January. And I will see you next time. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and send friends and family this way to check out the show, Maria's Kitchen. Bye.